Dapperton, what's up, dude? I saw you making a new game, dude. How's it going? What's going on with that? I haven't looked at it yet, but I just saw you were messing around in Rito. Yeah, Rito, it's too small scale, I think, for one of my projects, but it was fun. It reminded me how much easier Godot / Rito is than easy FPS. Are you going back to Godot, or are you going to do, like, Unity or something? I think you should make some videos on your experiences making the games. I think that'd be really interesting. Like going through the drama of making Demon Siege with the easy FPS editor and stuff. And like showing some of the tricks you did and the workarounds and stuff. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'd be really interested in that. A couple of things that can hide that checkbox. Image has to be simple or filled. Preserve aspect. Those two types. This right needs to be assigned. Oh. Let's test that. Okay. Explains it with the source image empty at edit time. Hides a checkbox in by the time. Yeah, I need to go inside the code and do it. Right there. Battle manager, battle manager, battle manager. Hey, is that music too loud, bro? I'll probably go back to Godot, but Redo specifically, it's the same, but not woke and better community. Unity looks cool, but it's a whole new engine I have to learn. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I mean, if you already know how to code, like with Godot's in-house engine, I don't think you'll have a problem learning. Like C# not that hard. No, the music's barely heard. Okay, I'll turn it up a bit. I don't know. C# not too hard, but yeah, it is a whole new engine you have to learn. Yeah, there's a lot of tools. There's a lot of things. Really, is the what is Redo? It's just the fork of Godot. Like they just did Redo because of the past controversy with Godot. I say fuck it. The more game engines, the better. That just means like it's better for us as developers. We keep getting new things. So if like there's only one game engine that we can use, and it's gonna be lackluster, you know. Well, if they're all competing, fucking cool. Yeah, pretty much. All right. Apply enemy image. Okay. Get battle sprite. Oh, it's an abstract. Well, shit. Party members, party members, party members. Enemy battle cards. Component. Character image sprite. I need to do. Enemy battle cards. Here, we'll just copy it, actually. Actually, no. Because if we're doing git, this code lives somewhere. This is somewhere, and I want to find out where the fuck this is at. Find all instances. Find all references. Get battle sprite. That's what I want, but it's not here. Godot community kicked me out for Skull Stompers. No, they did not. So I'd rather stay in the engine community that welcomes me with open arms. Really? Can I see that? I love me some juicy game dev drama. That's the best drama. Okay, this is getting... Where the fuck is Get Battle Sprite? I know it's an abstract. Okay, hold on. Where's the controller behavior? Is this where we're at? This is it? Return battle sprite. Return character info battle sprite. Okay. Return battle sprite. We're in party follower. character. Okay. We've talked about it, bro. I got like a fucking I got bad short term, you know. Oh, V talked about it. Yeah, man, he didn't know. I was the first one kicked from the community. All I said was I made a game where you stomp furries, and then I was removed from the server. What the fuck? That's crazy. Man, I'm telling you, hey, the Godot community, I feel like that's the one, bro. That's the straight furry. It's Godot, Game Maker, all these off ones. But then again,
G-Dot.
Yeah.
Why are you looking all fancy?
I don't know.
Are we during COVID?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, you even put on smells. You got 4D stream going on?
What'd you say?
You got 4D stream going on?
4D.
Yeah, you even got smells on.
I ain't got no smells on. Oh, that's my, I can put oil on my face.
Oh god, I get thinking. Like,
That's... Yeah, like, the Godot community seems like it'd be the one to be, like, furry infested. That's funny. Alright, we're gonna do this. Then they showed me the rules and directed me towards their terms where it says you can't discriminate against race or ideology. It's a fucking fetish and a fandom, dude, not a race or ideology. Yeah. Of course, you can't argue with these people because they're always right, you know. You'll never be right. Okay, this looks better. That looks better. We are almost ready for a build too, by the way. I'm working on balancing. Ooh, do I have to go through each one of these spawners and do this shit? That's not cool. I think I do. RIP. And there's a lot! I gotta reach out to fire for that one. I think I'm gonna have to go through each one of these spawners. Bone Circuit, what's up, dude? Mr. Dapperton is a rage bait channel. I won't be expecting a good title there. What are you talking about? A good game? I mean, I've been known to do a little rage bait myself. Taking out the trash on my side of the channel. What? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do these. Sorted? Brother, what are you talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah, I think... God, there's so many. I need to get with Fire Sickle on this one real quick. Oh, this is that robot mop trash from the other day. Bye. Bro, I have no clue what this fucking schizo's talking about. Let's look at Bone Circuit. Let's see his channel. Is someone who casts stones but is too scared to create anything himself, apparently. Wasn't he in here last stream? Let's do a quick run through. Actually, let's fill up the shop. I know the shop needs stuff. Teleport, okay. Where is the shop stuff? I didn't write this shop thing. Iron Eye, what's up, dude? How you doing? I didn't write this shop thing. It was... Oh, shop trigger, okay. Shop trigger. Let's see. I didn't write this. This was Bool. This is the guy who worked with us, like, at the beginning. Well, not at the beginning. Whenever I started working with others... This is one of the guys that was working with us, and he fucking crashed out for no reason and just left. He thought I was playing favorites, and he was being a fucking weirdo. He was being a weirdo. He was like fighting with Fire Sickle over fucking nothing. Okay, shop data, shop name. Who are you talking about? There's this dude that we were working with named Bool. Sometime the head bugs get to us? Yeah. There's this guy we were working with named Bool. It's whenever I first started, I was open to working with people. And Fire Sickle and Bool reached out, and they're like, hey, we want to work with you. I was like, okay, fine. So I started working with them both. We set up, like, first off, we set up the GitHub, and that was a pain in the ass already. And like, they were fighting over, like, not really fighting, but Bool was like, oh, you gotta do it this way, and Fire Sickle was like, no, you gotta do it this way. And then Bool kept going like, oh, I got this much experience, and Fire Sickle was like, yeah, you know, I got the same, you know, I'm up there with you, bro. I'm doing, you know, the same shit. But Bool was like reaching out to me off to the side and was like, hey, I hope you're not like thinking about kicking me out or anything like that. You know, I feel like Firestickle's trying to turn you against me. I'm like, no, he hasn't said anything. I think he just wants to work on the project. And then hold on. And then he just kept on with that shit. He just kept on with that shit. And then we all get a Discord message saying how like it was an unprofessional environment, like and something else. I don't know. I might still have it. He might have deleted it. I know he deleted his Discord. Let me see if I got it. Yeah, deleted user. So I don't know if these messages will be here or not. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hold on. No. Alright, I know people get all gay about leaking DMs, but I mean, it's obviously a deleted user, so I don't give a shit. Hey guys, I pushed up the cave system into feature/cave system to implement more caves from the cave system into sample scene. Did this so there won't be any conflicts. Unfortunately, I'm done assisting with this project. It's been really fun and rewarding. All of this type of work is my passion. I enjoy doing it with my peers. A couple complaints. Fire, you are always talking about your job and how long you've been working. Yeah, I have a long career too, and I totally understand the impulse to constantly talk about how good you are. Firecycle's never done this. But you'll have to show it. I didn't realize that you hadn't done anything in 10 days, but continued to try to correct people on how things are supposed to work, even when you're talking out of school. I've been working on this thing since I got access to GitHub till about 3 to 4 a.m. every day. No, it's not a flex, just comparison. He made like 3 or 4 things. Not even. He made the shop and like some other things. Apparently a cave system, which I don't even think we're using. Firecycle, I think during this time I wasn't tasking him out as much, so he wasn't really doing much, and that's the only reason he didn't do anything. Private, use a VM in future jams. Hackers are not going straight to your IP address like that. No, you are a streamer downloading executables off the internet and running them on your main machine. Never worth the risk, since people like pirates, cronies are most likely. Oh, this is when I was running the the game jams, and I didn't I said fuck it and was running like executables straight from itch. I was like, because I couldn't get the VM to work, so I said fuck it and just did it that way. He's talking about malware. A lot easier than going to your IP address and ISP routers. Bitdefender will not help you in these scenarios. No AV will. A smart enough furry will use a veil to obfuscate the payloads to make sure any sort of protection software you have won't be able to see it. Again, this is my job, and when someone tries to correct me and explain over me how it works, I just let them talk. Point is, use a VM, different machine. Also have a lot of things going on with family, blah, blah, blah. It was super fun. If we put our egos in the dumpster, no one cares. Yeah, we had no egos. There were no egos. Firecycle throughout this whole time has been very respectful. He's been very cool. Whenever these two were in a call with me, it felt like every time Firecycle would like give me advice or like anything like that, he would shoot it down like he was competing with like he wasn't the smartest person in the room, so he felt threatened. That kind of like that type of shit. That's what it felt like. Like, I'll admit, I'm dumb as shit. Like, a lot, if I haven't touched it, I'd be like, I don't know how to fucking do that. And I'm scared to do it because it's new and we fear change. We fear it. I was just telling Firecycle that shit last night. I was like, he like recommended some stuff. He's like, I told you to do it a few months ago. I was like, yeah, well, I'm a dumbass. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I thought that was funny. It was a lot more. There was a lot more. Because we hopped in a call before this. We hopped in a call before this because he was like, please don't kick me out. Please don't kick me out. I think Firecycle's trying to trying to have me kicked out, and that was never the case. It was never the case. It's fucking weird. All right. Oh yeah, back to Firecycle. Actually, I need to talk to him. Sorry, bro. Just saw this. Yeah, I got some time. I'm just wrapping up. I was reading the message from annoying people. Okay. All right. Let's call him real quick. Hello?
Yo, dude.
Hey, I'm streaming.
Oh, shit, bro. Can I call you back in like 20 minutes?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, later.
Bye. I wanted to tell him I was streaming first. So, he didn't say anything. He got mad at me last time. He's like, bro, you gotta tell me. Whoopsie. Oh shit, I need that open. Okay, items. Where are the items? Shop data. Shop data's gotta be it. Slop shop, shop data. Boom, slop data. Inventory, there we go, okay. Easy fucking peasy. Item SOs, and we just add them. Let's lock this screen. Item SOs. Excuse me. There we go. Let's remove spicy pepper. Let's remove mana and finasteride. These are going to be objects that you get outside. Canned coffee, spicy pepper. Let's get some fucking bubble tea. Take a bite. How was the idea I sent you? Any good? Been done already? I fucking glanced at it, dude. I got home, I glanced at it, and then I went back to sleep. Sorry. Let's see it. One second, let me read it. I just thought of this now. After reading the game night post and thinking what Mr. Dappin posted recently, he's like, this game is way better than mine. Damn, and was a billboard, sprite chuds, Wojak shooting at Square Arena. Bro, for real, imagine this friend slop PvP game, retarded chud Wojak characters, just like traditional multiplayer PvP deathmatch, but characters are chud, soy jag, PP. I think that'd do good. I don't think that would be bad. I don't think it'd be bad. I think people love internet culture and internet memes, right? Like that's always going to be it has to age properly. So, if you can do it fast, bless you. If you can do it fast and pump, get them out, then I think it'd do fine. Just have it super simple. Shit, that might be a good multiplayer project just to try out. Like a weekend project. Shit, give me $100. I'll put it on Steam. Shit, give me $100. I'll put it on Steam. That's what I'm telling you, actually, because it's more like a Unity project. I already have multiplayer pretty much set up. I would for that I would just need to create different guns and shooting. Oh, I need I think anticipation too. Like server anticipation. That might be the only thing that might be holding me back. Yeah, server anticipation for because it would be peer to peer. It's not server based. It's peer to peer. I mean, you already got the FPS gun stuff down. Oh, you know what? I didn't think about that. Well, no, I wouldn't do it that way. Apostle 3D is fucking scuffed. I wouldn't do that. Apostle 3D is scuffed. I probably wouldn't use any code from Apostle 3D just because it's like, it's real patchwork shit, right? I didn't know anything whenever I was going in there. That was my first game, and I was fresh in school. So like, while concept anyways, okay. While I think you like, there's a bit of misconception. I only made that one game, but you know, as far as like boomer shooters go, so and that, yeah, I don't know that game. Did y'all play it? Did y'all have fun on it? I don't know. I don't know. Some people must have had fun. I made fucking $500 on it, so at least some people liked it, I suppose. But no, I think that'd be pretty cool. Do like a just make it really janky. That'd be fucking fun. Like just have it real janky. Like no animations or anything. Just have their legs walking, like just their fucking legs doing this. I don't know. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. Super jank. That'd be fun, like a fun weekend project. I got to like purposely bad looking. Yeah. Sell it for $3, $5. There's so much. No managing. Let's do Bagel Bite. Pink Monster's fine. Bagel Bite. Beef jerky. Did I do beef jerky? No beef jerky. Beef jerky. Blowbacks. Blowblacks. Bow blacks. Bubble tea. Canned coffee. Cheese slice. I did it up here. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, which slop shop is this? Simp City inside? Okay. Actually, now that I think about it, that Straft Tack game you showed me before, there was a feature that made game special at all. Was there a feature that made that game special at all? Yeah, the movement. Or was that the appeal totally that it was small, quick shooter? No, yeah, the movement. The movement's really crisp. And it's just 2v2 and 1v1. It was just 1v1. They have it at 2v2 now, but... Okay, this needs to be fixed, but recover 12 health, 35 health, 10 FP, 20 FP. We got canned coffee twice. We need to adjust these because I'm not sure how high actually our FP can get. I'll have to talk to actually I should know. Hello. Hello?
Yo, what's up, man? Can you hear me?
Yeah. I am streaming, so I'm just letting you know.
Yeah, I just tuned into your stream. Just
Oh, okay. What was I gonna say? The enemy spawners. Do I have to change their values one by one?
No, well, if let's say, okay, where are the spawners at in the scene? Can you show me?
Oh shit!
I think I'm probably like a few seconds behind. Let me open this up. It'll take a bit though.
I can screen share. Hold on. There you go.
Okay.
I see generated spawners. Like a bunch of them.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Mob spawner manager.
Click on one of the generated spawners and then go out of search mode and see where it's sitting at in the hierarchy. Okay, scroll down a little bit in the hierarchy. Okay, this is what I thought. Okay, so if you select all those, oh, okay, yeah. So you see how the top level is mob spawner manager?
Yes.
All of the ones, and I think
That's everyone.
You don't have the game playing.
It's every single one of them.
And I had them separated by whatever town locations existed at that time. So you could theoretically you could select all of the Kiwi Farm spawners and then change the mobs in the inspector once, and it will apply to.
Oh, just by selecting all of them like this.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. And then
And then also I have it commented out right now. It'd be really easy to turn back on. I did originally have it set up so you set it at the town location level for what enemies spawn out of the spawners.
Okay. Well, this is fine. I just needed to know how this worked, but yeah, this is a lot simpler than okay. I thought I was gonna have to go through and do it all one by one. All right.
No, hopefully not.
All right, my boy.
We might have to add. Yeah, we might have to add some somewhere too, so you can copy and paste those.
Okay. I got I'm working on the slop shop right now. I added some items in here.
I saw those items just when I came in. Yeah, you were.
I was showing you the
awesome.
I wanted to show you the
awesome,
UI.
man.
The UI's a little scuff.
work,
Yeah, so definitely for the you see how I'm moving through the item selection, but the info panel's not popping up. That's all that needs to be changed on it, I think. And
and fixing it just so it looks a little better.
Yeah. So that way they know what they're clicking on, cuz my goal is to have the game so you don't have to use the mouse. I think that'd be great.
Hell yeah, dude.
But
I said that when I started working with you.
Yeah, it doesn't scroll.
To make it that way.
It doesn't scroll up and down. If I'm going up and down and selecting, it doesn't scroll. And then
sure that's in there as well. Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna handle that one. You'll handle the UI.
Yeah, but I'm gonna need a point here soon where I have a couple days to just do UI stuff. I can slam out without having to worry about making a scene conflict thing.
Okay. When is tomorrow fine? I can find other things to do. I'll start. I'll do a bunch of artwork. I still need some art. Those new items. I can do that. In fact, I can start those new items now. Or well, you know what? Okay, so I know what I'll do. I'll give you the next few days to do UI. But tonight I'll make a build so that way I can keep testing. I'll test the build over the next week or the next few days, and then the new artwork, and then I I got some people who want to play test too, so I'll give them the build and then kind of like take some notes and shit.
Hell
so
yeah.
so is that cool?
Yeah, that works. I can do a bunch of UI stuff, I guess, over tomorrow night. I'll do it.
Tomorrow
I'll
night?
probably get
Okay.
most. Yeah, whatever I'm gonna do for UI stuff, dude. It's like I'm probably gonna knock it down in one night, and that's my hope. So tomorrow night I should be saying like, yep, it's good to go.
Okay. Let me know. Are you sure you're good for tomorrow? What day? What days? Like, let me know the days that you're good for, so that way, like, we're not wasting time. Our days are
So
precious right now.
my whole week is shot, dude. I'm just gonna try to work at least a little bit every night. So for this code freeze thing though, tomorrow for sure.
Okay.
Just don't make any scene changes tomorrow, and if you push tonight, I'll knock down a bunch of UI stuff. There's like a bunch of little things in pause menu, and that thing you just showed me, a slop shop.
Okay.
Just like a couple of little things.
Okay. All right. Cool. I got What I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna fix that pressing E issue. I forgot where that was though. You said it last night. Pressing E while in cutscenes. I'll have to fix that, and
It's not
then
so easy. Not so easy to. Oh yeah, actually that's a one-liner. You want to fix it right now?
yeah, where's it at?
Search player controller.
Okay, hold on. Slick, I see you in Twitch chat. Give me a second, brother. How you doing, man? I ain't talked to you in a good minute.
And then go to the update function. Yeah, right there. Your cursor is actually on it a second ago. Up a little bit. Right here. Right at the beginning. So where it says is game is paused, that's me just setting a boolean to a few different conditions. That is nope, my bad. It's yeah, I guess it must be okay. So when you're in the cinematic state, the game state must be set to .cinematic. That's what I'm gonna guess.
Yeah, it
Or
should
the
be.
game.
But
So
yeah.
then add that on line 187. Like copy and paste line 187. Or you can do that.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my bad. I'm 186. My eyes are terrible. But that's fine. Just grab the condition from 186 where .instance.state does not equal GameState.world. Yeah, that's the. You're gonna add another one of those in.
I can't believe I just saw it.
I'm brain dumping. Oh, okay. So I'm putting that within the brackets here. The or statement. So like right here.
Actually, let me.
Oops.
Yeah, take that. You added an or to the end of that one line.
Yeah, let me grab that.
Yeah, take
Oop.
that or out.
Okay.
Actually, let me think about it for a split second again. So it's .state does not equal.
I can't read it like this, dude. It's fucking driving me nuts. Hold on. I can't stand it. I can't read it. Every time I see it, I can't fucking read it like that.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, it drives me bonkers.
Right there where your cursor is, back in the, yeah, click in there.
In game
go
state?
right before the end. Yeah, go right before the end parenthesis. Move your typing cursor.
Oh.
Yeah, right there. Put in or.
Or and.
Or.
Okay. Yeah, and then copy this, and then change it to cinematic.
You're right. Actually, it's an and.
Really?
Yeah, I think it.
No, it would be
Yeah,
or. It would be or.
No, it's and. It has to not equal world and not equal cinematic because you want to be able to use it in cinematic mode. Okay. That should fix it right there.
All right, let's see.
So you were not able to, when the cinematic was playing, progress the dialogue?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because that code right there, if the game's not paused, quote unquote, then it does the interacting code, and the interacting code is what makes the dialogue progress. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I didn't go past like why it's doing it that way, but. Let's go Logan.
Yep, that works.
Hell yeah.
All right, and then the main test for it would be,
It's like the beginning of the game.
No, it'd be Billy Mitchell. Like if I was talking to Billy Mitchell, well, if the cinematic was playing like a battle, like if a battle was happening and I pressed E next to a character, that's when it's supposed to stop or whenever the
Or
cutscene.
not
Yeah.
not work.
Yeah, not work. Yeah. All right. Yeah,
That should
we'll
be
play around
still
with it.
fixed. That should still be fixed.
Yeah. Well, I'll pick up a bunch of stuff whenever that should happen. I'm gonna plug in these new enemy types, and then I'll probably work on the slop shop a little bit tonight, and then we'll do the code freeze, and then you can work
Okay,
on the
yeah.
UI.
I'm sorry I didn't get anything done today.
You're good, brother. Hey, I'm here. All right, I started this mess.
Yeah, after Friday, I'm gonna like way super free up. I'm been working on the next season for my multiplayer server.
No worries. All right, brother. You have a good one.
Yep, you too. Take it easy.
Thanks. Bye. All right. Slick. This is a parody game. It's like Earthbound, and it's a parody of a YouTube subculture, like the commentary community. Basically, it's just cute. It's an excuse to make fun of people. I'm making fun of internet personalities. It's not really about the commentary community. It's just I'm using someone as from the commentary community as a vehicle to make fun of other people. So, but it's called Chud Lodge's Gawkbound. It follows Chud, who is a commentary YouTuber. He likes Gawk, apparently. Not really. It's just a joke, like an inside joke for his community. But the game's full of dick jokes, pee-pee jokes, pirate software, DSP. Actually, I had DSP ain't in here yet. Actually, I could add DSP in here at the arcade. I have plenty of like gamers, like gamer locales I can go in the arcade. We already got fucking Gaming for Hope, so might as well put DSP in here. He'll fucking sue me. And then I gotta add Asmongold and H3H3. So that'll be fun. Hassan, iDubbbz. But we're gonna get this game working first before I start adding any other boss fights or little things. But yeah, Gawkbound. Tokon. I haven't played the beta yet or the demo. There's so many fucking games coming out right now, dude, and I just ain't got the money for it. Like, if I get any game that's coming out, it's Gears of War. It's Gears of War E-Day. And I've been looking at Dawn of War 4, I'm not gonna lie. Dawn of War 4 or Warhammer 40k Total War. Tokon's up there, though. Maybe. The Gawk would be bountiful. What?
I needed one more chest or kill to level up my thing completely. And there was no more chest, and I saw somebody, I was like, I'm gonna kill you. And they were running hard. They weren't even like trying to do anything, and it pissed me off. They were running so hard. And they're in the John Wick skin, and I chased them literally halfway across the fucking map, and I was like, the instructor's not even near me anymore. I almost turned around and just fucking went back. And I was like, no, fuck this guy. Why is he running so hard? I killed him, and he had one of the rare sprites you find in the fucking game.
Stupid.
I was like, oh my fucking god! I'm gonna shit myself.
Like, the more I think about it, I don't even know if we need the slop shop. I think... I tell you what I'm gonna do, and Firesickle's gonna kill me. If we have enough time at the end, we're gonna add a little bit of, not equipment, but kind of equipment. It's just gonna be a consumable item that's equipment. But if you consume the item, it's just a consumable. It's not an actual equipment. It'd be like eating a spicy pepper and gaining 3 attack. I think I'm just gonna do like, you buy a mace and then, it just increases your attack. But you can't keep buying maces, right? Like it's a one and done kind of deal. And then if you buy a different weapon, then it gets rid of that effector. So we'll just have like an effector that increases our attack speed or whatever. And if we get rid of that item, if we buy a new item, then it gets rid of that effector and replaces it. I don't think that would be hard. I don't think that's too much to ask for. Okay? I don't think that's too much to ask for. But that just means more drawing. And honestly, we could do it with the drugs. We could do it with the drugs. It doesn't have to be, because like that's the next thing I gotta draw, right? Is fucking like ketamine and coke and just different drugs. I don't even think it would be that hard to like affect the sprites that way. Maybe for saving and loading, it might be a pain in the ass, but you save all those stats anyways. What am I doing? Let's get these enemies in here. I don't even think we'll make it that far. Where were those spawners at? Managers, mob spawners. Here we go. We want Route 1 and Route 1. Kiwi Farmers Sweeper. Yeah, that's fine. Kiwi Farmers and Sweepers. Sewer Slide Forest. We got Goth Mommy's Cultists. What else we want there? Goth Mommy's Cultists. Let's add DGGers too. We'll add DGGers. That's Route 1. Whoopsie. Sewer Slide Forest. DGGers. Simp City. We got DGGers, Goth Mommies, Sweepers. Let's remove... Now we can keep Goth Mom... Nah. Let's remove Goth Mommies and Sweepers, and we'll add the Goon Squad. Goon 1, Goon 2, and a Detractor. Route 2, we don't have anymore, I don't think. Oh, yeah, we do. Okay, Route 2, we'll have, Route 2, we'll have Toadstools. Whoops. And Toadstools and Cultists. Outside Got Castle. Toadstools and Roachlings. Furry Forest. We'll have, obviously, furries. Furry 1. Toadstool.
Bro, I'm dead. Fucking dead.
And Roachlings. Cut Cove. Detractors. Cultists. Sweepers. DGGers. Got Castle. We don't go here, so nothing. And let's try that. Let's see how that works. We're gonna need a shit ton of balancing. I know that's for sure. If you're here in chat, I will be doing closed testing. Actually, you know what? I should probably submit this as a build on Steam so you guys can test it that way. I think I'll just do that. I'll get a build up tomorrow. I need it. That's what I'll do. I'll spend tomorrow getting the build up because I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass, and we're gonna have like a code freeze anyways. Yes. All right. Yeah. So I'll have a beta or a fucking test on a closed test on Steam. But let's see what we can do. I think tonight's an early night. Maybe not. I don't know. Tonight might be an early night. I might get to play some games tonight. Cutscene 1. Actually, no, I gotta work on the title anyways. Yeah, we gotta work on the title. Save. Let's do that. I gotta piss. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Yeah, this is a real.
Also, guys, my Warhammer army is looking fucking clean, alright? The paint, these are the best paint jobs I've ever done. And it looks really good. I'm fucking excited to keep going with it. I kind of want to do some different techniques or some different, like, color schemes. I really, really want to try doing, like, a comic book style. I think that'd be pretty cool. Like a comic book style painting for all these orcs. Look at that. I don't think I have a thin enough brush though. Look at that shit. Look at that, baby. Comic book style. What are you laughing about?
I just can't fucking believe, and it was fully mastered. I can't. It's so fucking much for me. Like, I didn't know what to do. I picked it up and I was like, is this, oh, and I ran around like a fucking chicken with its head cut off trying to get my fucking shit out so I could
Stupid.
look up in the sky.
Demos need to be approved by Steam before they go live. Yeah, I know. I did demos for Apostle 3D and Idle Streaming Bonanza. Look at these fucking colors. Very cool. Very bright. I definitely need some new paints. Some white. Look at comic book style. So sick. Yeah, these guys are really good. Way past my skill level, I think. Mine look good, but they don't look this good. These guys, like, these look really fucking clean. Mine's a little bit better than that. All right, title screen, title screen, title screen. Let's go. Let's save this file. Save. Let's go to scenes. Scenes. Title. What's the intro? Game by Sean Campbell. Brandon didn't help at all. This is 100% factual statement. Look at this asshole. Look what he made. This is the title screen. He snuck it in on me. That's so fucking funny, dude. Brandon, Sean, Jesus. I can't escape from it. It won't let me do anything after restart it. Bro, I knew you weren't gonna fix that. Quit game, load game. Very cool. New game, slot 1. Oh, it actually loads. I didn't know you had it hooked up like that. I thought I was gonna have to do that. Escape did not work on the boobs button, no. I didn't know you had it hooked up, bro. Yo, thank you, dude. I thought I was gonna have to do some actual work. Firesicle been taking all the loads. The loads off. Load offs. Load off. I freaking quit. I'll check the escape, dude. Don't worry about it. I'll run it through. I'll ask our third teammate. I'll ask our third teammate, okay? Don't worry about it, dude. Jesus, take the wheel. Yeah. Did I put this? I don't think I imported the new cutscene or the new title screen. This is gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna do it as a GIF. I might have to. Oh yeah. Is this the GIF? Or is this the GIF? They're both GIFs. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot how GIFs were fucking imported, so. Tools. BGs. This is how I imported GIFs before. Oh, it does have 5 frames. Okay, alright. It does have 5 frames. Let's do main camera. No. Where's the canvas? Main camera. Title screen controller. Title screen controller. Where's the canvas? Do you not have a Do you not have a canvas? No, here's the canvas. Okay, alright. I think you have to have one. Yeah, you do. But I don't think the GIF is going to behave correctly. No, it should. Alright, hold on, guys. You know it's not playtime, right? You know it's bedtime. Yeah. So get in bed. Get in bed, Damon. You don't have a reason to be out. What? Alright, go. No, get in your own bed. Your bed. I'm making you what? Your bed. Go. Your bed. Alright, turn it off. I told you if you're getting out of bed, I'll turn it off. Get in bed. Get in your bed now. Now. Stay in bed. Little brats. GIF player, that's what I need. GIF player. There we go. All right, let's make a cool little cutscene. Let's make a cool little cutscene. How are we gonna do this? Let's do. Let's do. First off, let's go back to our title screen and yoink those nice little things we got. Actually, no, we don't need to. We don't need to. Let's see. Placeholders for now until I draw them up. Placeholders. Let's see.
That was a lot of sprites in that thing. That is crazy.
Nice and simple. Uh-oh. Where's my stuff? Think it looks good, brother. I looked away for 1 minute. Looking good, dude. Hell yeah. I think it looks good. What do you think, baby?
Huh? Nice. I can't see.
Okay, all right, fair enough. I'll show you later. I like the. I kind of like this. I might keep this actually. Chud. It kind of looks like the Simpsons, up in the fucking cloud. Chud Logic's Cockbound. Maybe even add like a little tilt to it. Actually, it's already got a little tilt. What do the boobs do? Well, nobody clicks on a tutorial button, but everyone's gonna click on a set of boobs. So-
never click on boobs. Why would you click on boobs? You can't touch them. You think you're touching them when you click on them?
Look, no one clicks a tutorial. Everyone clicks boobs. Everyone clicks boobs. Okay?
Oh, I would click on that too.
Yeah.
I'd be like, why is this here?
Yeah, you damn sure would.
I see what it was doing. Like, hello.
We got to do this one up nice, though. The titles, that's a Y button, you pervs? Yeah. Okay, the title, it needs to fucking grab attention. This is good, but I need, like, a good intro to the title. I need a good intro to the title. Something that they're going to be like, ooh. You know? So, hold on. I'm thinking at the beginning, do, like, a fade. We show Anarchy Games. Play some music, fades in. This kind of like comes into scene, right? This kind of comes into scene. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but it's going to maybe. Trying to think. It zooms out. Okay, so it zooms out. Zoomed in on Chud. Zooms out to fill screen. Yeah. Zoomed in on Chud and fills out. Yeah. That's good. And then Chud logic like appears out of the clouds or like fucking spins in. And then Gawkbound, like it'll say press start. It'll say Gawkbound. Like it'll shoot down. Boosh. And then you press start and then it'll come to here. All right, let's try that. So we need a cutscene. We need cutscene. Cutscene manager. I don't even think I need a manager. This one can just fucking play. So let's just do cutscene. Cutscene. And this will be the start of the game. You can't skip the intro title. I don't think you can skip the intro title on fucking anything. So any of those. 000. Cutscene. Let's do playable director. And we'll create a new cutscene. So timeline, create. Cutscene for title. Cutscene for title. Okay. Now I need access to all this stuff. First and foremost, it's going to be the camera. We need access to the camera. Let's lock this in place. Access to the camera. Add activation. We need a new panel. And that's going to go here in the controller. Create empty. Fade. We're going to call it fade. And it needs an image. And it needs to be black. Make it really big. We'll disable it for now. Bosnian mine detector. What's up, dude? How you doing? All right, so we got access to the fade. And you know what? I might need to change this. No, I got fade. I got a fade animation I can use on this. Animation. Animator. Animator. Fade. Cutscene fade. Fast. Yeah, we can do this one. Cutscene fade. And this one's 5 seconds long, so we're good here. Main camera active. Okay. For now, we're going to keep it like this. These guys are going to be hidden for now. Hidden. But I am going to need a reference to them, so we'll slap them in here. Activation track.
I have no idea how that happened.
Okay.
What?
And then
I have no idea.
I need the art.
That was
Not the art. The title, I need both of these. Activation track and an animation track for them too. Animation track. And I need I gotta find it. I gotta find the fucking the splash screen. I don't think I have it in here yet. Splash. Nope. I don't. I have to find it. Old project. I got it in old project. Are you talking to Emma? Okay, she reached out. I was gonna say. I need to open an older project. Let's open Samurai Stratagem.
I always forget that I can do stuff while I'm writing the beats. But this guy pissed me off. I was like, why are you running so hard? I didn't even see.
Bosnian Mind Detector, what's going on, dude? We had a good run on Kick for a little bit, guys. No one shows up anymore. we had people showing up like super excited. They're like, "Oh yeah, you're making the game. I'll be your mod. Yo, I'm gonna be your mod here too." And then no one fucking show. I make one person a mod, and no one shows up ever again. That's so funny. It was a good run. It was a good 3 days. It was a good 3 days. I commend you for your attention span
Okay, so I had
for game dev. That I do. All right, Samurai Stratagem. I need my I need my cutscene. Or not my cutscene, my I think it's gonna be in scenes. Title. Intro story, death scene credits. Splash screen, I need my splash screen. You know what? I could probably copy this. Let's export it. Or copy? Can I just copy? Let's see. I'm curious now. No, I don't think I can. Either way, I need my splash. Splash Game Boy. That's all I need. Just give me this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Bro, I have to extract sprites and copy this to the internet. said, most of the things I give you are maxed out. Shut. I don't have 3 llamas. I always wanted to get to the top. Get all my hearts so we get all my things. I was confused. But the person beforehand was chasing me hard and I killed them.
Fade needs a different type of
And I killed them.
animation, so I need to get rid of this one.
But that leaves me on the
We'll make it 5 seconds still. Five seconds. And we'll just do fade. At 250. No. At 4. We'll fade. Actually, I don't need these ones. I don't need these because we're going to use a press start. I am going to do a press start. I'm going to let this fade out a bit. We're going to zoom out a chud. Okay, so camera. Splash ins here. Fade ins here. Camera. Activation track. Or animation track. Record. We need a baseline, which is going to be normal. So let's just do -9 and then -10 again. -10. That's our base. Here. Actually, Let's see what it looks like zoomed real quick. So camera turned on. Ooh. This might not work the way I want it to then. I might not be able to zoom in on Chud because the camera is not a part of the title screen. The camera's different. The UI is an overlay. UI is an overlay. So I think the camera actually needs to... We'll have to do it a different way. We can't use it with the camera. Camera still needs to stay on though. So boom. Remove camera. Delete. We'll have to actually edit the art. So art. Animation track. And we'll have it zoomed in. Boom. Let's copy it first. So let's go to the art. Let's do a zoom in title. Art. Let's do a something like that. We'll copy this. Art. Copy. Component. Z. Record. Paste. Ooh. Ah, shit. Small polish does so much. Yeah, it does. Hell yeah. The poles are hard workers. What? The poles. All right, let's see what we got. I love that it like zooms out on his crack. That's so funny. Okay. Maybe a little bit slower. I don't know. Maybe just a smidge slower. I'm not one for a long intro, but I think it's funny. Okay, fade, cutscene active, Earthbound, not active until way later.
Okay. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Because I don't. Every time somebody tells me their recipe, I'm like,
I don't want these on. That has to do with the manager, I think.
I can't hear that.
Title controller. Title screen controller. He's got them turned on. I gotta find where that code is. Unless I have them on. Art fade, main camera, gawk, no, splash. These are getting turned on. I gotta know where.
I'll bet you take that spot.
Title, screen controller, main. Title, screen controller. This has no component on it. Game save manager, managers, main camera. Fire sickle, any input? Oh, here we go. I see it. You have these turning on. I need to I found it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is where it's at. Hide panels. Okay, on the first start. On start. Let me see. Show main menu. This is it. Show main menu. I just need to delay that. I need to stop where it's getting called on start. This just needs a delay.
I feel like they have something good. I feel like they have something good. There's no way they don't have something good in their food.
What the fuck is this? Oh, okay, I see what it does.
Is that okay? Oh! Stop following me! You guys are assholes! They took my crown after I had the crown. Being killed by Snoop Dogg is some next level shit. Wow, extraction sites are friendly now. Cool.
Yo, Bipedal, what's up, dude?
I fell. God, I fell. Was that the people? Where? Yeah. Trying. Who are you? You're down? I just came from down. Bro, what the hell? Thank you. I'm always finding people. That's what the fuck I am. They were literally just here.
Well, why won't it let me record now? What the fuck?
Back to it now. I'll go towards the square.
Okay. It won't let me record.
Oh, I can't see the wager.
Hmm. Why won't it let me record?
And a Sprite. And I got a Sprite for you. You're gonna have to extract it immediately again.
This is Text Mesh Pro Text UI. I want the color, vertex color, vertex color.
Here. Let's go. No, don't do that. Oh, Emma. Extractor now. Let's go. You need to extract a really good rare Sprite before you fucking can't.
Compile error. Whoa. Oh. That's why. I'm retarded. Okay. No wonder it wasn't letting me.
Somebody's here. They're looking at me. So hurry up.
Okay, boom.
They saw me and I was stuck in a storm. These are the people I was dancing in with the fucking lobby too. That's funny. And I'm fucking getting yeehaw. Yeah, what? 2, 3 I can just hear them in their seats right now. Yeah! We got that W, y'all! Skanking.
I think I'll need to actually create a signal track here. A little bit slower. And yeah, I will need a signal track. I can't use this. Delete. Well, maybe. Let's see, actually.
so I can drop them off and store them and then leave.
All right, guys, what do you think about this? What do you think about this?
Hey, look, this person's got the grin.
Oh, let me go full screen real quick. Let me go full screen. Save.
Somebody's following them.
I think there might be an issue. We might need pixel perfect camera. We might need pixel perfect camera. I think that's one of the issues I might be seeing here.
I think somebody's doing it.
Nope, pixel perfect's on here. 2100.
Yeah, that fucking the new super duper rare sprite, fucking broken ass piece of shit's gonna drop too.
That, my friends, a decent intro. I think.
Iron
Now let's get the press start working.
I think it's crazy that you can Oh wait.
Enter. Not keypad enter. Keypad enter? No. What's normal enter, dude? Why is it doing that? Is end? No. Escape. But I just say press space. Press space. If
Somebody's coming. I don't know where you went, so. Oh, pickaxing this dude is a pain in my ass.
Main menu activate. Getting power upgrade had to use phone support. The power upgrade.
Don't shoot at me while I'm minding my own business. You're so
Submit button.
Hey, I love your room. You like this?
This still working. Start. It's because it's not enabled.
This random galaxy.
Think I got this on the wrong spot, maybe?
How's this building still not
It's back null. Why does it come back null? Press start. Press start, get component, TMP text. Get component. TMP text. What's the other one say? Yeah, TMP text. Oh, it has to be in title. No, still crashing. Yo, take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it sleazy.
Press start.
Really?
Need a hand before I go? Nah, you're good, brother. I got it. You're good. Ah, this is it. Okay, alright. I need a game object of this as well. Yeah, you're good, brother. I think. No, that's a button. I don't need a button. I just need this, the object. But then I need to initialize the object. No, no, I don't. There we go.
But it wasn't the move.
Still. Okay, now I'm perplexed. Well, how's this one? Oh, okay. Maybe?
Man, that tree earring just got destroyed. Tough luck. They were chasing me.
There we go. That should do it. Not set to an instance of an object. Well, we'll just grab the game object itself. Oopsie. We won't do that. We'll do...
Toji Boo Boo Bear.
press start object dot set active false. Okay, my instinct was correct before I made all the dumbass changes. I'm usually dragging stuff into the inspector. I'm not used to doing initializations, I'm sure. I need to get used to doing this anyways, so. Oh, it's still broken. You want to see the cutscene?
Okay, go poop poop.
Correct.
I might not be able to stay here long and load again.
Look.
Dante says he's got hiccups, it's too much. Go potty, Dante. Got a donk.
Y'all better get in bed or I'm gonna start swinging fists.
Dante says he's going to.
And why is Damon out of bed? Because Dante's out of bed? No. Get in bed, Damon. Go. Both of you. Get
Go
in bed.
poopy. Go. You want to go potty? You can go potty. Are you not?
How's that fucking null? I know it's not fucking null. Does it dump it? That is not null. That motherfucker. Find. How's that null? What? Press start. Find game object. Press start. Press start. Let's do that. Maybe it's because it's a child. No. What? How is this null? What?
What is that?
Alright, hold on.
What? Just died. Did they take it? They didn't even take it? It is not cold. Oh! What the hell? They were waiting for me to come get you. And they took my banana.
Yeah, no choice.
That was my banana.
Goddamn kids. How are you gonna ready it up? And then, like, not even. Of course, as soon as I get up, you show up. We had to make it a child of title and then grab it that way. Because it's an inactive game object. Now it should pop. It's still fucking null, dude. This is crazy. I'm just gonna assign it an inspector. I don't give a fuck. I'm not doing all this shit. Stupid. For what? Like, it's extra headache to not assign it to the inspector. It's fucking retarded. Sorry, Firesicle. It ain't that deep. leave this one private. But this bitch going public.
Part 2. You're sitting out.
Okay. We're good for now. I'll add the rest of that shit tomorrow. Alright, guys, I am out of here. I do appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much for hanging out and chilling with me. Look, hey, we got a title screen. We got a title screen. Look, I'll show you. I build it. Build and run. We got a title screen. And, yeah. I'll pop it off before, too, because I want to do some painting. I want to paint my Warhammer shit. But, yeah, it looks good. I like the way it came out. I think it turned out pretty damn good. I think it turned out pretty damn good. Got a little splash. Oh, shit. Whoopsie. Alt F4 that. Let's go to build settings and we'll add our scene, add open scenes, and we'll make this the first one. Make it the first. Now we'll build. Build and run. Save. Build and run. Look at that. Clean. Clean. I like it. Keep an eye out for a build. I might have it done tomorrow. I have one more scene I have to add, and it looks like I have to fix the text on it. Please enter. Do as the pixels say. Yeah, that's right. I'll show you the other. I gotta do the intro. So yes, like we have an intro, but there's more intro. You guys have seen it before, I believe. It's a scene. Intro. It shows like all the pictures and stuff. Chud doing the story. Posh, what's up, man? What are you working on? Sorry, I didn't see you there. What's going on, dude? Working on Chud Lodge's Cockbound. It's a meme game. It's a meme game, a parody game about Chud Logic, but it's similar to Earthbound. It's similar to Earthbound. Yeah, that title looks clean though, dude. It really does. I'm gonna build it one more time. Build and run. But in this game, we're making fun of a bunch of YouTubers and like just internet personalities, e-celebs. So we're making fun of like Destiny, Ethan, Klein, Hassan, Asmongold, DSP, Gaming for Hope, Chud Logic, some smaller creators too, like Queeman and Perry, a bunch of smaller guys. Pirate Software, and it has like some. It's a original story. It's got, you know, I mean, it's just using these these people as characters in the game, but it's got a story. You get isekai'd into Gokland, and your job is to recover the leaked DMs from the four corners of the world, or the four corners of the kingdom, and return them and save yourself in the court of public opinion. And then once you save yourself, you have to rescue Princess Gok, and she will send you back to your own world. But I think the title looks snazzy, dude. I like it. It looks pretty good. Then again, I made it, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Does that look clean or not? I'm a little biased, obviously. You know what I mean? I can never like. I don't know. What do you think? Clean or no? Like, these look like shit?
I think he got a weird dog.
A weird donk? Okay. I think that, I mean, it looks alright.
He looked like he wearing those pants he likes so much.
He might be.
I think he got a full diaper.
Yeah. But it is made in Unity. It is not RPG Maker, so we designed a lot of the systems that we probably could have used RPG Maker for. And if I were to do this again, it definitely would be RPG Maker. I'd rather get over the hump of learning RPG Maker than making all this shit again. It'd probably behave a little bit better too. Scare the birds. Yeah, once we start adding some more shit in here, it's gonna look good. I don't know. I think it looks decent. It's decent for what it is. A year's worth of game dev. I'll take it, dude. And you know what? A year's all they're getting out of me. Let's save. Let's push. And Tomorrow's code freeze. So I'll stream some slop tomorrow and work on the title, like I said, more title shit. Actually, I can't. That's more. I can't work on the title. So we're complete code freeze tomorrow. So I'll find something to do, artwork or something. All right, code freeze is officially here. So yeah, if I do anything tomorrow, it's creating a build and testing. We're just testing. But you guys have a good night. Thank you so much for showing up. Thank you guys. Peace out.
I think it's time we blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.